Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 2 for CBSE Board, chapter number 12 Areas related to circles. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some examples from 12.1, question number 3. Depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions from the center outward as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region respectively representing gold score is 21 cm and each of the other bands is 10.5 cm wide. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. So this example is actually very easy, but it is slightly lengthy, so therefore you try to understand. Okay, now this is the target. Okay, now the first ring is gold, second red, blue, black and white. Diameter of gold region is equal to 21 centimeter and therefore radius is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Radius of region G is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Then radius of region R means from this center to this is equal to 21 centimeter. Blue 31.5 centimeter. Black 42.0 centimeter and white 52.5 centimeter. All these are radius of what region? Okay. Then area of gold region is equal to pi r square 22 upon 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. Simplify this 22 into 1.5 into 10.5. If you simplify this, you will get 3.46.5 centimeter. So area of gold region is equal to 346.5 centimeter. This is number 1. Area of red region is equal to pi 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21 minus this area. So is equal to 22 into 3 into 21 minus 346.5. If you simplify this, you will get 1386 minus 346.5, and if you subtract this, you will get 1039.5 cm square. This is the area of region red region. Okay. Area of blue region is equal to 22 upon 7 into 3.31.5 into 31.5 minus 1039.5 minus 346.5. So is equal to, if you simplify, you will get 1732.5 centimeter. So this is your third answer. Area of black region is equal to 22 upon 7 into 42 into 42 minus 22.22 into 4.5 into 31.5 is equal to 5544 minus 3118.5 is equal to 2425.5 cm square. This is the region area of region black. And area of white region is equal to 22 upon 7 into 52.5 into 52.5 minus 5544. If you simplify this, you will get 3118.5 cm square. So this is a area of region white. Okay. Question number 4. The wheel of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? Okay, now try to understand this example. This is an important example. Okay, solution. Diameter of wheel is equal to 80 centimeter, and therefore distance travel in one revolution is equal to circumference is equal to pi d and is equal to 22 upon 7 into 80 centimeter. This is statement number 1. Let number of revolution be x. Car travels x into 22 upon 7 into 80 centimeter into 10 minutes. Statement number 2. Now, speed of car is equal to 66 km per hour. So, therefore, in 66 minutes, hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, in 60 minutes, car travels 66 km, and therefore, in 10 minutes, car travels 10 upon 60 into 66, that is 11 km. Therefore, in 10 minutes, car travels, this you convert into centimeter, 11 into 1000 into 100 centimeter. So, kilometer is there, therefore, first you convert into meter and then into centimeter. So, is equal to 11,00000 cm. This is statement number 3. Now, x is, that means x is equal to x into 22 upon 7 into 80 is equal to this. If you simplify, you will get x is equal to 11,00000 into 7 upon 22 into 80, and if you simplify this, you will get 4375, and therefore each wheel complete 4375 revolutions in 10 minutes. Okay. Question number 5. Tick the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and the area of a circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is. Now here 4 options are given. So solution. Perimeter of circle is equal to circumference is equal to 2 pi r units. Area of circle is equal to pi r square units. Now this numerical value are same, therefore this and this is equal. So 2 pi r is equal to pi into r and pi get cancelled, and 2 is equal to r. So r is equal to 2 units. Option A. Okay, so correct answer is option A. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.